Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing history part. Chapter is forest, society and the colonialism. So colonial things were developed when we are understanding forest and society. So continuation of that chapter, we are discussing the rise of commercial forestry. So in the year of the Indian Forest Service in 1864 and it is helped for the form the acts of for this Indian forest, that is the usually when we see that the system of cutting down trees, it was not permitted to the anybody. In Indian Forest Act of 1865, that is has made a system that is called as a scientific forestry. The many people are included in this scientific forestry, that is ecological things, that system which they are the made, but it not based on a scientific all those things. In this scientific forestry, natural forest which they are having the different types of the trees, they are the cutting down without knowing of the importance of those trees, but they are the made those tree cutting, that is scientific forestry. In their places they are planted a new one type of a trees which is planted in a straight rows, that is known as a plantation. You know that they are the planting systematically one by one with the keeping a particular distance in between a two trees, rows and columns, which they are the making to a plantation. The when forest officers they are the started the survey on the forest, they are the found and they are the estimated in a area wise, which they are the getting a different types of the trees, and they are the started making work on that places to make a forest management. They planned how to a plantation in areas where they are the cutting down a trees, where they are the cut the trees in every year, and those areas they are the started replanting of trees where already trees are vanished, where they are the trees are uh, cut of people, where they are the destroyed, where they are the removed those trees. And after that, in a forest act in a year of 1865, and they are amended the twice again in the same year in after the few years, that is 1878, and again in 1927. In the year of 1878, the act divided forest into a three categorization. They are the made to preserve a forest. The what those are the three categories. One is reserved, second one is protected, and third one is village forest. So for the best forest, they were called reserved forest, where they are the villages could not be take any things from the forestry product for their own uses also. for the housing, for the fuel, could not be that would not be taken by the any villages. And some they are the protected because of the precious trees and the village forest. In the village forest, they are the made the surrounding areas with the including the housings also. The next one is, how were the lives of the people affected? See, a continuation of that. Now, the forest where the scientific forestry they are the made, how it is connected. The lives of the people who are living in a forest, it is very difficult to the some places where they are the vanished. The forest and villages, they are the having a close relationship because the villages they are the maximum they are the using of a forestry product. It is fulfilling the needs of village people, and villagers wanted to the forest with the mixture of species and to satisfy their needs. For examples, the fodder and the leaves. Sometimes they will use the natural source which is available in a forest as a medicines also. And the fuel. The forest department, the other hand, the wanted trees which is suitable for the building ships or railways development. They needed these trees could provide the hardwood. Visually, you know that when they are started cutting down the trees, the timber woods they are the used for to the construction of railways. And where the tall and straight trees they are the used that species, for example the sal, teak, neem, they are the promoted to cut down the trees because they are the very strong wood they will get. And some areas of the forest people used forest products like fruits, leaves, timber, many things which the forest fruits are available in a forest are the nutrition store for the eating, especially during the monsoon before the harvest that come in the forest. We didn't know those fruits which is they are the using for eating purpose as well as a cooking purpose. When we are taking the examples of in Amazon forest, even in India also, the most products from forestry, the who are in the nomadic pastoralists who are the living in especially forest, they are the using the 99% of the product available in a forest. The fruits, herbs, they are the using for to the medicines, and the wood for the agriculture implementation, yaks and plow they are the using, as well as the bamboo which they are the available easily they are the using for to the constructions of the houses. And the different things where they are the using, and they are the portable water bottles which they are the made. Some things they are the using from to the scooped out of the ground which is can be usable for the in a places to run their life. Almost all everything is they will get, it is available in a forest. And they are they making the leaves can be stitched together to make plates as well as cups, uh, in areas for to the drinking water, for to the to eat food, and they are the using the creepers for to the make the roofs, and they are uh, to simur, that is a bark of the simur, the silk cotton, the tree used for the vegetables, and oil for the cooking, and the light lamp they are the using for the fruits of a muha. So those some trees they are the using as the natural resources for to fulfill their needs of their family, and every day they used to do these things. For reference you can refer a ninth grade textbook. We'll continue the same topic again tomorrow. Thank you.